Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how to close your 22-bet account. But before we proceed, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to receive alerts every time we upload new videos. Now, let's get started. First of all, open your web browser. On the search bar, type in 22bet. Me. Once you've typed it in, you'll arrive at this web page. On this page, you'll need to log into your account. Click on the Login button, then enter your login credentials in the provided boxes. If you've forgotten your password, you can reset it by clicking on this link. Once your details are entered, click on the Login button. After logging in, click on the message icon. Reach out to customer care by stating that you want to close your account. Click on the Send button to submit this message. Customer care will then ask for your personal information to verify your identity. Once you've successfully verified yourself, your account will be processed for closure. That's how it's done. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell icon to stay informed about our new uploads. I'll catch you on the next one.